You're coaching your heart out. You're doing all the right things and still no one's buying. And that's not because your coaching is bad. It's not because you don't love people, and it's not because you don't have passion. It's because your authority is invisible. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to build your niche and what I call your undeniable authority so people believe in your coaching practice and your offer before you even say a word. My name is Don Markland. I'm the CEO of Accountability Know. We actually have helped thousands of coaches build their practices and scale them. And when I started, just like you, I had no clients, no audience, no traction, and I had to build authority from scratch. No followers, no ads, and no idea what in the hell I was even doing. And I'm going to walk you through exactly what I did today. So first, niching and what I call undeniable authority and that niching framework. What is undeniable authority? Authority isn't status. It's not followers. None of those vanity metrics. It's confidence, clarity, and most important, proof communicated consistently. There's 3 pillars of it. Proof that you created real results. Positioning that's specific and sticky. Presence that people remember. Those 3 P's: proof, positioning, and presence. And if you're posting but still invisible, guess what? You're missing one of these things. So we need to fix that. Also, step number 1, let's build results and let's build a results stack. Ditch all these fluffy testimonials. You need what's called micro proof, specific data backed wins in your coaching practice. So here's how. I want you to DM or email all the clients you've helped, and that's even the free ones, even the people that you've helped in exchange, and ask, what change happened? What improvements did you see after you and I worked together? And then I want you to turn each into a short post. Hey, Rachel closed 3 new clients, or she saw this change, or she lost weight, or she made some more money. I want you to be really specific on the results that changed, not the feelings, but the results. And when you have those results, this becomes very specific to the problems that you solve. This is so important because when you can communicate the problems that you solve, people are attracted to problem solvers. That's so important. And if you're just starting out, I want you to over offer compensation for people meeting with you. If that's 3 free sessions in exchange for permission to share results, if it's 3, over offer everything you can to get with people. Now, step 2, nail your positioning statement. Generic coaches get ignored. Specialists get hired. Build your statement using this formula. Pay attention to it. I help who go from pain to result in time frame using a method. Notice that it is I help who go from insert pain to result in time frame using insert your method or program. So for example, I help therapists turned life coaches go from 0 clients to $5,000 a month in 8 weeks without funnels or ads. Real simple. I help you insert your clientele, your avatar, who they are, go from what is their pain point to their end result in a specific time frame using my program. And you typically will say without having to do some sort of a sacrifice. And you put this everywhere you can. You say it in Instagram, you put it in your bio, put it on your LinkedIn bio, in every profile, every pitch. And if someone can read your statement and say, that's not me, guess what? You're doing it right. You know you're having undeniable authority when you can exclude people from it. Something I want you to remember. The minute you can use exclusion and people will disqualify themselves, you're on the right track. Now, step number 3, Publish your signature proof piece. Every coach needs a go-to piece of content that makes people say, whoa, this person gets it. You can choose your format. Is it a 5-minute YouTube video, a 1-page PDF guide, a carousel, or something that you've broken it down? I don't care what it is. I like video because I think video is interactive, but I also like checklists as well because I think we're a list-making people. But get your go-to guide. Maybe it's how I helped a client go from X, Y, and Z without having to do this. And there's a little bit of a story about you, and it gives them a breakdown of it. And it teaches one part of your framework. This is not overly complicated. You don't have to spend $5,000 to put it together, and it doesn't even have to be super professional. You can use free tools like Canva to put it together. But you need your go-to piece that you can send and get to people as fast as possible. Because the minute they comment on a post, the minute they like something, I want this in their DMs or their inbox as quickly as possible. Now, step 4, run what was called the weekly proof loop. If you're posting randomly, this stops right now. I want you to run the proof loop. This is about rhythm that builds credibility. Post number 1, you post a win, a story, a screenshot of transformation. You're doing that all the time, every week. Post number 2, you're teaching something. I want you to teach something every other day. Teach something of your wisdom. Don't post a quote. There are so many Instagram quotes that are the same. Actually teach something. If you don't know what to teach, take a transcript from one of your last coaching sessions, run it through ChatGPT and ask, what are the lessons that I taught this client? And then teach that. Make some Instagram reels from that, or make some static image posts from that. But teach, and teach. And then 3, have presence. Show up on your social media feeds with your video, with your face. Here's what I believe. People will follow those that are confident enough to believe something. Demonstrate what you believe. Now, we have templates for all of these things. And if you want any of these templates, you just DM me or leave in the comments below authority, and I'll send you the exact playbook we use on how to create these scripts, or how to create these videos, or how to even create some of these ChatGPT models to make this simple. Just DM authority and we'll make it that easy for you. Let's be clear. To build your coaching practice, you don't need to get louder. You need to get more believable. There's so much noise out there. You need to stand out as an undeniable authority in your specific niche and be believable. Authority isn't magic, it's method. I want you to stack visible results weekly. I want you to clarify your niche method. I want you to share your signature content piece and follow a simple context rhythm that earns you trust. Do this on a regular route every 30 days. Clients won't just find you, they will believe in you. Building your practice won't occur in 14 days. I don't care what the courses tell you. It takes time. But if you are consistent and you will follow this process over time, you will win. That's how you build a thriving coaching practice. Be sure to follow us and like this video and tag a coach and leave comments below on how it's working for you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.